Hi everyone, it's been a while since I've recorded anything for my classroom, and here we are. As you can see, there's my 30-gallon aquarium, which has the tiger barbs in it, followed by the 10-gallon tank with the cherry shrimp, along with a bunch of other living things. What I wanted to share with you today, though, is a strategy that I discovered called solo hexagons, and this is a wonderful way for students to make meaningful connections between different concepts, ideas, and theories. While we will do the strategy during class time, I wanted to share with you ways that you can do this at home on your own, because this isn't a strategy that has to happen in a classroom. This is something that you can actually do on your own. So, without further ado, here are the steps. First, start out by going to my website and select my units by grade level. This will take you to a master page where you can select the topic of instruction that you want to look at. In that topic, if you scroll down, what you'll find is a Google Sheet where I've outlined and listed all of the vocabulary by lesson. This is the area that you're going to want to use, and note that there is a chance where you can slide down. Another way that you can get to the units or individual topics is by clicking on the specific one and scrolling down towards the bottom. In that Google Sheet, select the vocabulary that you're least comfortable with or that you want to connect. Then what you can do is open a Google Doc and insert a drawing. Now this is going to put it right into the Google Doc. Alternatively, if you go to the link below, then what you can do is just create your Google drawing right there. Two different ways that you can insert the shape is by going into the menu and clicking on Insert and then Shape and then the hexagon where you can then decide on your shape, or in the toolbar that's above the drawing area. If you hold down the Shift key, that will keep the shape a regular one, so that way all sides are going to be the same size. To insert the same shape, all you have to do is copy and paste it into the Google drawing and then move the shapes around, so then you can start typing in the vocabulary. Now, let's say that I'm selecting vocabulary from topic 3, which is on genetics, and I'm going to select ones from a variety of different lessons. I'm going to put one word in each hexagon, and I can do that by either double clicking on the shape or simply selecting the shape and starting to type. Now, I'm only using 5 of these words, and so I'm just going to get rid of the other 2 shapes. If I want everything to look the same, which doesn't necessarily matter to me, but I can change the text so that it is all the same size, or I can adjust the size of the shape so that all words fit perfectly. That's when I can start moving these hexagons around and start to show the connections that I'm making. Remember that adjacent hexagons are related in a specific way. They are connected. When you insert a text box, this was going to allow you to explain why you have these connections made in the specific way that you did. This is also really important so that way when you're reviewing how you organize these hexagons, you can review your own explanation of the material. Now, let's say I want to insert this into a Google Doc. Well, at least I should change the name so I can access it within my drive. So I'll call this Hexagons Genetics. And what I want to do is download it as a certain file so I can insert it into a Google Doc. I'm going to do it as a PNG file, although you could download it as a JPEG and it will insert it into the study guide all by itself. I'm going to call this my IB Biology Study Guide, put it in here, and be able to study from it for my IB exams or unit tests. And so that's just a really simple way to do some independent study of material that you might be feeling unsure about, or that you feel that you're very comfortable with what it means, but just not how it connects with every other topic or lesson that we've been covering. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments below, and I hope that you get a chance to try out this strategy. It's really effective with reviewing the meanings of words, but also how to use them in different contexts. Have a great day.